like that we have 2 1 is done in the book. So we will get 2 answers. Now we have the segment and offset give you the 2 answers. Ganyan ang mga pag-ibig ng memory.
Tulog na naman.
Bakit hindi yung physical memory niya na hindi kasi kaya. Physical memory na hindi paano ito makaka-data above 1 megabyte. So, magdadagdag na namin. So, ito nga yung offset. Okay, segment of offset will give you the true memory address. Whether it's kung nagharap ka ng operating system, at wala kayong backup hardware, mahirap ito. Kaya yan pag-harap ng operating system, makakusaya. If they do not have enough knowledge, so ganit sa memory, usapan. Yung mga arithmetic ng memory kasi. So ito lang ang bigyan, no? Offset, itatagod ng segment, you will have the true memory address. Although, ang available na talaga is eh, nag-offset na ako lang. Okay, so, ganyan yung code. Pati may harapan, so let's